What up, world? It's Machiavelli Ruffin back with another one, y'all. Flash floods hit Milwaukee after record rain. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell, man. This is another exclusive, y'all. Man, this was wicked. Thug life.
Downtown West Dallas. This is a 84th Street, 83rd. Those are cars completely underwater.
Whoa. There are people in a boat being rescued.
Smash that like button. Yeah, y'all, that was the flood that happened yesterday, man. It's crazy, bro. Like, I know there's a lot of cars yesterday, y'all, in water. So, man, this was crazy, y'all. Crazy. But, you know what I'm saying? That's just what happened, you know. I was at work when the shit happened, so I didn't have to catch that much water where I was working at, you know what I'm saying? But this is another tragic, man, you know, in Milwaukee. But you know, let me know your thoughts below on what y'all feel about this flood. You know what I'm saying? Some people are covered, some people wasn't. So, yeah, y'all let me know y'all thoughts below. Other than that, y'all know what it is. Be safe, stay dangerous, stay blessed.